Hi, my name is Soham Majumdar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Everyone wants a friend like Shiva. We have the Soham Majumdar who has played Shiva in Kabir Singh, and what a performance. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much, sir. It's more than a dream come true for me to be here.
No,
like,
it's,
honestly.
it's an honor to have you, and congratulations for the wonderful performance that
Thank
you've
you.
delivered.
Thank you so much.
Everyone on social media wants to know more about you.
Yeah.
So tell us something about yourself first of all.
There's so much and so little to say actually. I'll just keep it to I'm a dreamer and I dreamt and dreams do come true. Okay, and what can I say? Like, I'm a guy from Calcutta who never really felt that I would be a part of a Bollywood film, you know. Because coming from there, you don't really realize कि आप क्या करोगे, and even if you want to be an actor, you would perhaps be like, okay, एक Bengali picture भी मिल जाए तो बहुत है, and it is a lot. I'm not taking away anything from that, but getting a Hindi film, that too with such a big banner and such a big film, and my first film only doing the numbers that it did, I was like, what's happening? Really, what's happening? I can't be like. The best part is my parents were really proud.
I'm
you
sure.
know? I mean, that's the best part, and the smile in their faces it was just worth it. All the struggles, everything else was just worth it.
Right.
Worth it all.
Right. So you've delivered such a nuanced and wonderful performance that, and I personally feel that can only happen if you're having a background of theatre.
Yeah.
And from what I understand, you have been associated with
Yes,
theatre for
yes,
quite
yes.
some time.
Yeah.
There's a group called MAD, from what I understand.
Yes.
So tell us about the theatre journey that you had.
Back in my school, I used to do theatre with my English teacher. He actually said that can you please act in this play that we were doing for Labour's Day at the time. And I just tried my luck with it, and after that it's just been on. Like after school, we formed this theatre group called MAD, and me and my friends, we started this theatre group, and we did a lot of theatre. In Prithvi Theatre also we did a play and all of that. And
Great.
so when all of that was happening, I was also doing my engineering course. I finished my engineering and all of that.
That's
Yeah, because my my family was like कि कुछ कर लो and all of that and everything. So I did engineering, but I was doing an internship at a multinational company at the time, and in the same month I had a performance at Prithvi Theatre. For the first time I was stepping onto that theatre, and it was a very special moment, right? That's when I realized that 9 to 5 job is not meant for me, I guess, with all due respect to whoever does it, but it was just not me. I was not feeling like, okay, this is what I really want to do for the rest of my life. But when I stepped onto Prithvi Theatre, and that stage, those lights, you can literally hear the whispers of the audience at Prithvi Theatre. That changed my outlook to become an actor for life. That's when I realized कि यही बनना है, यही करना है, and we'll see whatever happens. And I did have the support of my parents also at the time.
You've acted in a film where Prashanjit is there and
Yes,
Rituparna Sen Gupta
yes,
is there.
yes.
I think that must have been quite a...
Yeah. More than that, of course, Prashanjit sir and Rituparna Sen Gupta being there is a big bonus. But acting under Kaushik Ganguly's direction, who's a national award-winning director himself, for films like Shabdo and Nagaur Kirtan, where Riddhi also won a national award. I mean, he's just a very fine director to work with. Like he takes you on board and he really nurtures an actor.
Right.
So that was an experience, and to get that as a debut Bengali film was a really thrilling experience for me. That usually doesn't come your way if you do not really have whatever film background or something like that. Right. So his son used to do theatre with us. Kaushik Ganguly's son used to do theatre with us, and that's how we got to know each other. He saw my performances and he asked me to be a part of his film.
Okay, so now as we were having this conversation before the interview started, so everyone wants to have a friend like Shiva, but no one wants to be Shiva. It's tough being
What
Shiva.
can I say? It is tough, I guess, because sometimes you feel like kitna tolerate karu and all of that. But I feel like everyone needs a Shiva for sure. Everyone does need a Shiva for sure, because there are times when I have felt broken. I have felt like what is happening in my life and all of that. And at that time, if I did not have that friend, as we say, like who is the Shiva in your life, I don't think I would have got along those times pretty well. So that's why I think like I don't know how to be a Shiva, but we do need a Shiva.
Okay, the height of his love for Kabir Singh was that he was willing that his
To
sister,
go to any
that his sister
yeah,
can possibly marry him,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
knowing fully well that what state he was in.
Exactly.
You know, I've seen people like that.
Yeah.
That there are friends who really can go to any extent to make sure that the lives of their friends can become
True.
fine. So I think a lot of people would want to see some sort of mirror in that in a way.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I don't know what the right or wrong is in that, but I wouldn't want to comment on it. But people do get into that phase where they can really want their friends to come out of the state that they are in. Like मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, like when a friend of mine was, you know, I'm sure all of our friends have been through breakups, etc., tough times in life and all of that, but we really wanted them to come out of it, you know, because we want that friend back more than anything else. We want that hasi mazak back in our life, because that friend was perhaps, say, the joker of the group or whatever of the group, and after the breakup they are just a different person, which we don't want them to be in. And so to cheer him up maybe or something like that, we do a lot of things which are out of our comfort zone as well. But what Shiva does as a character that I played, I even had a conversation with the director about this scene. I was like, how can a person do that? I did have, you know, reservations and all of that, but how can a person really do that? This like, Soham, you be in this position, no? You'll do anything for a friend then. That's what my director
That's
said.
what I told you. I've seen people like that.
That's what my director said, and our director being our director and such a passionate soul, I just followed his passion. That's what drove the, I mean, people are calling it nuanced and all the fancy stuff, but really what drove me was Sandeep sir's passion. That's what drove me. His passion is what brought the film to life, I feel.
Your character is very passionate as well.
Yeah,
The way you believe in it in the last moments when you just settle the differences between Kiara and Shahid Kapoor. I think that level of passion was there because
especially
you were a catalyst in a way.
Yeah, I actually loved the scene where, you know, he's passed out and I get some drugs to again get him back to consciousness and all of that. That was my favorite scene of the film for me.
What a scene.
I was like, this is it, man. If I can do this for somebody in real life, then I'll know that, okay, I'm really helping a soul out here. You know, that's what I felt like when I was doing that scene. And that scene really, when it was shot also, I felt it. I felt every pore, like, you know, it was just it was a wonderful experience to just be a part of this journey, you know. So, I mean, I can't really put it to words perhaps, but it was really, really, what can I say, enigmatic in a way. It is puzzling, but it was also really elated. Like, I was feeling elated after doing those scenes, like you mentioned about the climax sequence or the scene where I get Kabir back into consciousness and all of that. I mean, just felt elated as a performer also, like, okay, this is a situation in life. How do I overcome this? If I was there in that position, you know, because as actors you do feel like, what if I was in this position? So yeah, that's how I took it to be.
Now, how has life changed post 21st June?
A lot. I mean, first of all, the love of the people. I mean, that has changed. I mean, I never expected people to like my character so much. I really didn't think that, you know, after watching Kabir Singh, of course, I did feel like, okay, people will perhaps notice me a little, but I didn't think the amount of love that I'm getting for the character is unreal. Like whatever nowadays we have social media, Instagram and all of that, people are pouring in messages like Dosto to Shiva jaisa. I'm sure you've seen that.
Too many of them.
Yeah. So Dosto to Shiva jaisa, you were like, you know, sweet little things which really do make your day at times, you know, because these are all very new to me, so I'm trying to like embrace it all in my stride right now.
All right, and experience of working with Shahid Kapoor. Many would say this is his finest performance, biggest hit for sure.
Yeah. I mean, I'm a huge SK fan. Like, I'm a huge Shahid Kapoor fan right from the time of Jab We Met, to be very honest. I actually followed him before as well, Ishq Vishk and all of that, but I truly became a fan after watching Jab We Met. And My favorite film is Kameene. I've told him this also. Like, I like Kameene more than Heather. I'm a huge Kameene fan, and I used to love his work. And when I met him in person, it was like, I don't know, like when I was talking to him, I just felt so, it was so unreal, you know. Like for me it was not like कि अच्छा मैंने तो बहुत बार मिल चुका हूँ, ये सब होगा and all of that. For me it was just okay, this is, we have got the film and now we are shooting for the film. When I met him, it was unreal, sir, and the level of dedication he shows for a single shot, you cannot then not give your best either, because your co-actor is giving you so much that you also have to be on the same page for the scenes to be what it is, you know. Why exactly why people are perhaps liking the film and liking the chemistry between a Kabir and a Shiva.
So you've seen the film in a theater? In a film?
I actually saw it thrice. What happened was, I of course saw it while the film premiered in Bombay. After that, I had to go to Calcutta because of some family functions that I had to attend. I visited a single screen in Calcutta as well, and the response there was absolutely crazy. Like I can't. What happened? So I watched. So this hall is called Navina Cinema in Calcutta, and I used to buy tickets for other films like Dawn. I watched the Shah Rukh Khan Dawn, which came out. I had watched, giving a huge queue, and right now I'm seeing people are making queues for my film. It's just unreal as to what it is. How it all came into shape and everything. It's just unreal, and people coming to you asking for just a selfie and all of that. It's just so. I mean, I feel like, is this really happening? So yeah, it's great.
So any film offers from Bollywood or Calcutta?
Yeah,
Bengal?
some are there. Let's hope for the best. I'm really trying to take it slow and trying to be part of films that would be remembered, I guess. That's definitely a thing.
Okay, so best compliment that you received from?
My parents, of course, like them saying like, I'm really proud of you as to what you've done, everything else. But I'll just say this a little. I'm a huge Karan Johar fan. So when he mentioned about me with my name's correct spelling, in his Instagram review,
Yeah, I saw that.
I couldn't sleep that night. I couldn't sleep that night because I'm a huge, I have to, if I ever do meet him, I'll have to tell him a lot of things in person because there's so much to say. But I'm a huge Kejo fan. So when he mentioned about me, I was like, okay, I don't need anything else type. That was huge for me. That was really huge for me.
This is Sameer Verma from Badaयूं, UP.
Okay.
If you had a friend like Kabir Singh, would you offer him to marry your sister?
Hi, Sameer. I don't know, man. I really don't know the answer to this question. Would I don't think so. No.
Manjinder from UK, your acting in Kabir Singh was really good. Everyone wants a friend like Shiva. What did you like about Shiva, and why and how was it working with Shahid?
Hi, Manjinder. First of all, what I liked about Shiva is that he's so real, he's so unkept, as you have probably seen in the film, and he didn't wear branded clothes or anything like that, which made the character so relatable. That's what I loved about the character, and he's always there for people, and that's how I like to be in real life as well. Other than that, working with Shahid Kapoor is like a dream come true, man. He was like a big brother to me on set, and he taught me so many things about filmmaking and about how to give a shot and how to be 100%. I really learned a lot from him that way, yes.
This is Pankaj Komre. How it was different to play Shiva from the original, where I think the actor played Shiva did the tremendous job and was one of the highlights of the movie.
Hi Pankaj. So I did watch the original film, but what Sandeep sir and I had discussed is that we are not trying to ape anything from the original. We are trying to make a new film. Of course, it's an official remake, and I loved Rahul sir's performance, who was the original Shiva from Arjun Reddy. But I tried to give a different soul to this Shiva because I felt like Kabir's journey is very different from Arjun's journey. So he needed a different Shiva from the original as well. So I don't think I tried to ape a lot of things from the original Shiva. But kudos to him for that performance. That performance actually helped me know as to what is the extent that I can go to for while performing for this film.
This is Pradeep Singh Rajput. Bhai, just say he was brilliant as Shiva in Kabir Singh.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anush from Bangalore. Yeah. What was your first reaction when you were offered the role? Have you done theatre before? What next? By the way, congrats on the success of Kabir Singh and the appreciation you've been getting.
Yeah. First got the role, I was like, ki ye kya ho raha hai? Like, is it really happening? Did I just get my first Bollywood break, so to speak? Like I said, I mean, it was unreal. When I met the director also for the first time, I was like, is this real? I was pinching myself all the time, constantly. Like, is this for real? What next? Don't know yet, but soon we'll get to know. Fingers crossed. I have done a lot of theatre before. I've also done a musical as well called Aladdin. So yeah.
Ankit Jat from Indore. Okay. Are you a theatre artist or passed out from any acting institute like FTII or NSD?
No, I am a theatre artist, but I have not really taken any formal course from NSD or FTII. But yeah, that's what. Thank you for asking this question.
What is your best scene with Kabir Singh, aka Shahid Kapoor in the film, according to you? This is Sambhav Bhatt
I think
from Mumbai.
Sambhav, I think the scene where, like I already mentioned, where he's passed out and I'm trying to wake him up and I'm giving drugs to him to get him back to his consciousness so that he can reach the court. I think that scene was my favorite scene. Other than that, when I visited a single theatre in Kolkata, the response that PMS scene got, I was like, wow, we didn't expect that from that scene for sure.
This is Shivangi from Faridabad. Loved the bond of Shiva and Kabir. How was the experience of working with Shahid? Your fave Shiva and Kabir scene?
Working with Shahid sir, as I said, I mean, it was a dream come true, man. Like, the less I say, the better, because you should just go and watch the film to understand how he was in the film with me. As I said, the favorite scene was the scene where he's passed out and I'm trying to get him back to consciousness in any way possible. So I think that was my favorite scene.
This is Mano Siege from Kolkata.
Oh.
Share one amazing experience on the sets of Kabir Singh you had. What was your first reaction when the film came to you? You've already answered that.
Yeah.
Tell something about your projects. That's something as well that you mentioned.
Yeah, so
long way to go, sir. Lots of love and respect for you. Always. Sir.
Can I answer this in Bengali since he's from
Kolkata?
Please
do.
Mano Siege, ধন্যবাদ এটার জন্য, কারণ কলকাতার লোকেরা যদি এটা দেখে থাকে তখন আমারই ভালো লাগছে, কারণ এটা কি করে আমি বোঝাবো যে এটা সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা যে আমার নিজের শহরের লোকেরা এটা গিয়ে দেখেছে। আমার সবচেয়ে ভালো মুহূর্ত যদি আমি বলি, সেটা আমার হয়েছে যখন একটা ক্যামেরা অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট এসে আমাকে বলেছিল, স্যার আপনি অনেক আগে যাবেন। ওটাই আমার কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা ছিল। দ্যাট ইজ মাই মোস্ট ফেভারিট মোমেন্ট। যখন দ্য সিকিউরিটি পিপল অফ দ্য ফিল্ম, তখন ওরা যখন এসে আমার বলতো, স্যার আপনি আর ডায়লগ ডেলিভারি দিতেও, ওটাই আমার কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা ছিল সেটে। So thank you.
Great. This is Shiv from Mangalore. What attracted you to begin career as an actor?
I think the stage attracted me. When the silence of a dark stage, that attracted me to be an actor.
Saurabh Tiwari from Indore. How do you reach the skin of this character?
Following the director's passion. Our director Sandeep sir, his passion is what got me into the skin of the character. Because whatever I knew about the craft and all of that, of course that helped me, but this film was a complete different experience for me as an actor, or whatever I've done in the past, it was a completely different experience for me. Yes, having said that, it is a film and I've only done theatre before this, primarily. But it's just the sheer passion of the director which helped me get into the skin of the film, and what he shared about, how he shared about this story and all of that, that helped me to get into the skin of the film.
Vishal from Varanasi. When you first thought that I have to become an actor, what is that moment when you felt?
I was doing an internship in this big MNC because I'm an engineer by education. So when I was doing that, and with all due respect to people who do that, I just felt it's not meant for me. And at the same time, I was having a show at Prithvi Theatre, which is in Bombay. And when I stepped onto that stage, I was like, I cannot be anything else. I have to become an actor, somehow or the other. So yeah.
This is Mohammad Hassan. Just show him and tell him that his role was not lesser than these three. So this is basically Gully Boy, Rais, and Sanju.
Yeah. So
So he's
thank
saying
you so much. I mean, I've seen this somewhere, and all of these performances, like I've been a huge Vicky Kaushal fan, and also Siddhant Chaturvedi. He did a fabulous job in Gully Boy as well. So being even in the same envelope as them is like, it's too much for me. So thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Soham, we'll end this interview with the rapid fire with you.
Oh wow. Okay.
So rapid fire with Soham Majumdar. Which is your favorite best friend role in Bollywood apart from Shiva?
I would say Kamli from Sanju,
Sanju?
and also like if I do say Shole's
Yeah, please do.
Jai Viru, like that combination. Although you didn't know like which to pick or what, but Jai Viru's combination there.
What, according to you, is the advantage of Kabir Singh over Arjun Reddy?
It's wider reach, I guess. The language being more popular, I guess, and that's how it reached the mass that it did, and people are watching it. So that's
All right. 3 qualities of Shahid Kapoor that you found most fascinating.
dedication.
Wow. What, according to you, is the definition of a best friend?
Be there. Just be there.
If following people were given truth serum, what question would you ask them?
Okay.
Shahid Kapoor.
How was it like working with Soham on set? I want to ask him that.
Okay. Kiara Advani.
Why are you so sweet? You're so sweet. She's just so sweet. Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan, if you can ask a question to Shah.
I'll faint, sir. If I even am near him, I'll faint. So the question is out of the box only. If I do ever get to ask him anything, it would be that I will not ask him, sir. I'll touch him and I'll be like, okay, sir, thank you so much. Thank you. That's it.
What would have been riskier for Shiva? Staying all life with Kabir Singh or making him his brother-in-law?
I think making him his brother-in-law, because then you are like, I don't know what would happen then. I think so.
What's the best compliment that you received for your role as Shiva in Kabir Singh, and from whom?
My parents, of course, that I
You said
mentioned,
Karan Johar.
and Karan Johar. I mean, when he wrote that, I was like, what is happening?
If you could, what would you? All right. If you could put yourself as Shiva in any one scene of Kabir Singh to stop things getting worse for Kabir.
I think I would be there when he goes to meet Preeti's parents for the first time. You know, I would be there as a guard ki abhi papa aa raha hai, mat kar ye sab. Something like that. Then things wouldn't get worse. That's what trickled everything down, I guess.
All right. If you could meet Preeti immediately after her marriage and talk to her.
We do have a scene like that where we don't share a dialogue or anything. We just look at each other after our marriage. I was like, I think what happened in the film is what I would have done anyway, because I don't think after that I would really want to talk to Preeti, because from my perspective, from Shiva's perspective, what she did was perhaps not correct in a way. From Shiva's perspective, like to move on so easily, because I could see my friend going down the drain through that.
If you could meet and talk to any one actor from Bollywood for an hour.
Shah Rukh Khan.
You're a big Shah Rukh Khan fan? You met him one? Have you met him?
Huge. Never, sir. Never. We used to do a play called Codename SRK, which is a story I'll share later, maybe someday. So, I mean, I'm a huge fan. Huge.
Okay, if you could put yourself in any Bollywood classic.
Sholay.
As who?
Anybody. Give me any character, I would be in that. I can be an ant in that set.
Quick replies in one word. Please, your most favorite song from Kabir Singh.
Kaise hua?
Kaise hua?
Yeah.
Okay. One most common thing between you and Shahid Kapoor.
I would like to believe professionalism.
Great. Your celebrity crush.
Deepika Padukone.
Okay. Yeah. Whom would Shiva like to date, Kiara Advani or Preeti?
Kiara Advani.
Kiara Advani, okay. Yeah. Kabir Singh's anger or Kabir Singh's romance?
Romance any day.
Romance.
I'm not an anger fan. I don't like people getting angry.
All right, Soham Majumdar, wonderful having you on
Thank
Bollywood
you.
Hungama.
Thank you so much,
Congratulations
sir. Thank
for
you.
the wonderful performance, and I'm sure that we're going to be seeing much more of you, both here as well as in the Bengali films.
Thank you so much, sir.
all the
Thank
best
you.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's been a
Thank you.
pleasure being here.
Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much. Thank you, everyone.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, my name is Soham Majumdar and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.